English Idioms Unveiled, Loosen the Band. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, loosen the band. This idiom, like many in English, can add flavor to our conversations and writings. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage together. Loosen the band isn't a commonly used phrase in everyday English, and it might not be found in standard dictionaries. However, we can break it down. The words loosen and band are familiar. Loosen means to make something less tight or more relaxed. A band, in one sense, refers to a strip of material that binds or encircles something. So, putting these together, loosen the band could metaphorically mean to reduce pressure or constraints in a situation. This phrase could be used in various contexts. For example, in a workplace setting, if a team is under a lot of pressure, a manager might say, "We need to loosen the band a bit and give everyone some breathing room." Here, it suggests reducing workload or stress. In a personal context, it might refer to easing strict rules or expectations in a family or relationship. There are more common idioms with similar meanings. Phrases like ease up, let up, or take the pressure off are often used in English to convey the idea of reducing stress or relaxation of strictness. When using loosen the band, ensure the context is clear, as the phrase isn't widely recognized. You can pair it with explanatory sentences or similar idioms to ensure your audience understands. Loosen the band is a vivid expression that, while not widely used, can add color to our language. It's always exciting to explore the depths of English idioms and expressions. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video has been enlightening. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.